solve, identify any extraneous solutions. We are given the square root of x plus 8 minus x equals 2. We're going to go ahead and get this radical isolated by adding x to both sides, giving us the square root of x plus 8 equals x plus 2, adding x to both sides. To get rid of the radical, we're going to square both sides of this equation. Raise both sides of the equation to the second power. And on the left side of our equation, the square and the square root cancel each other out, and we're left with x plus 8. On the right-hand side, we need to square a binomial. So we square x, get x squared. Multiply the two terms together, get 2x. Double that, we get positive 4x. And square the last term. Gives us positive 4. I see I have a quadratic equation, so we'll try by factoring first. So I'll leave my x squared term where it's at because we have a positive lead coefficient. Subtract x from both sides gives us positive 3x, and subtracting 8 from both sides gives us a negative 4. And now we have our 0. We'll go ahead and factor. We have 0 equal to the quantities x plus 4 times x minus 1, factoring this trinomial. We will set each factor equal to 0, so we have x plus 4 equals 0, or x minus 1 equals 0. And solving each of these, we get x can either be equal to negative 4 or x equals positive 1. There's our two possible solutions. We need to check our solutions because we have a radical in our problem with an even index. So let's let x equal negative 4 in the original problem. Negative 4 plus 8 is positive 4. Positive 4 square root of positive 4 gives us a positive 2. And what is 2 minus x was negative 4, and that does not equal 2. So negative 4 is an extraneous solution. It is out. Now we'll test 1. Substituting 1 into the original equation gives us 8 plus 1 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 minus x, x is 1, and that does equal 2. So that solution does work. So the only solution to this equation, x equals 1.